Hey, Coach Greg here with Spot Training, and you are on day 6. You are almost done with the Full Body Fit 7-day seated workout challenge. Today, we are going to be working out our core and burning some belly fat in the process. So without further ado, let's get to it. We're going to start off with a quick demo of each of the exercises, and then we'll get into the full set. So starting off, we have a seated crunch. Sit up nice and tall. I like to have my hands behind my head, and all we're focusing on is trying to crunch forward, really squeeze and flex your core. You don't have to use your legs, but the goal is we're just trying to really bring it down. We're not trying to like crunch all the way over here because that's just activating the back. We want to really focus all our attention on our core. So it can be something as slight as this, boom, just like this, or you can go a little more exaggerated. But the goal is we want to feel and flex our whole midsection. Next, we have side reaches. So sit up nice and tall, extend your hands on either side of you, and we're just going to focus on reaching for the ground as much as we can. We want to feel that stretch in each side. This helps also if you have like dumbbells or anything like that. If you feel like doing these exercises in the future, that will also help. But all we're doing is really extending from side to side, elongating those obliques. Next, we have bicycles, hands behind the head, and we're going to alternate between reaching elbow to opposite knee. Bam, bam, just like this. Make sure you're intentional with each rep. Last, we have seated leg raises. You can just extend one leg or both legs out in front of you, and we're just focusing on raising one leg at a time. We want to pull from a hip flexor, but also embrace with our core, just like that. If you can't do a straight leg, feel free to just focus on knees. This works just as well. So there you have it. Those are your 4 exercises. All right, so let's get started with set number 1. We got 30 seconds on the clock with seated crunches. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. You're gonna really just crunch on over. Make sure you get back to that starting position and feel it all up in your core. Push the ground away with your feet as well. You want a nice stable base. You want everything coming from our core. Just like that. It may feel like you're not doing anything, but I promise you by the second set, if not even the end of this 30 seconds, you are gonna be feeling it. You're gonna really brace, tighten. There it is. Let's do one more squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and release. Great job. Shake it off. Next, we have side reaches. Sit up nice and tall, 30 seconds, and here we go. So reach, really elongate, just like that. And push the ground away with your feet. Strong, stable base here. Just like gravity, do the work as if it's pulling down your arm, allowing you to stretch and elongate your side. Almost there. And one more. Great job. Next, bicycles. Sit up nice and straight, hands behind your head. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Make sure you bring knee to elbow. Make sure you're breathing as well. Great job. Last, we have seated leg raises. Extend your legs out in front of you. Brace with your chair. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Again, if you can't do straight leg, feel free to just do knees. Core is tight, back is flat. Suck your belly button to your spine, and then pull your hip flexors and really your lower abs. You're doing great, we're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job, let's grab some water and let's get to set number 2. All right, here we go. Come on. Let's get it. Set number 2 starts now. Seated crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Seated leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Grab some water, you're doing amazing. All right, 1 more set stands between you and the completion of day 6. We got this, let's get it, baby. Seated crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Seated leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was day 6 done and dusted of your full body fit seated workout challenge. I hope you had an amazing time with it. My core is on fire. I hope you burned some fat and had a great time with me. But make sure you tune in tomorrow. We got day 7, the last day of this Svelte challenge with Coach Gabby. She's gonna finish strong. We're gonna have an amazing time. Also, if you are gonna be posting any of your workouts on social media, make sure you use the hashtag Svelte challenges. That way we can see it, we can celebrate with you and have a great time. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Have fun, stay strong, my friend. Peace.